Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link. It's going to open up the template and you're going to click where it says use template for new design. You're going to log in. So I'm going to take 1 second to go ahead and log in with my own account. Okay, once you are logged in, you're going to click over here and you can change the date. So if you want it to be on Christmas Eve, you can go ahead and add the date of whatever year that you're doing this in. You can also change this, of course, to a different day. If you're leaving on actual Christmas Day, you can change that here. Then you're going to put in the name or names of the children. Then you're going to put in the elf's name. Then on the right hand side, again up at the top, you're going to have the dates. You're just going to want to add the year. So if it's 2024 or 2025, you're going to go ahead and put that here. Then you can go ahead and change this letter. I put this in as an example mostly so you could see how it fits in the space. But you can actually highlight all of this and hit delete, or you can go ahead and just fill in the name and modify it as you'd like to. And down at the bottom, don't forget, of course, to sign the name here. And that's it. It's that simple. Then once you're done, all you do is click share and you can download the file and then print it.